Engine cranking but not starting? Stop right there. Fuel might not be reaching your engine. See this? It's the fuel system. Get it checked now. First, check your fuel level. It sounds simple, but low or empty fuel is often the real problem.
Turn the key and listen. If you don't hear the fuel pump, it might not be working.
A clogged fuel filter can block fuel completely. Check and replace it if it's dirty. Check the fuel lines for leaks or blockages. Even a small issue can stop fuel flow. Check lines. No flow? Fix the issue and try again. If the engine starts smoothly, your problem is solved. Follow for more real fixes.